SAP for future-proof supply chain management. SAP SCM enables end-to-end supply chain orchestration with AI insights, automation, and real-time visibility. 4,111 plus. Verified companies use SAP SCM for agility and sustainability. Integrated Business Planning, IBP, AI-driven demand forecasting, sales and operations planning, real-time insights. Logistic management, freight planning optimization, carrier selection and shipment tracking, route planning and delivery scheduling. Digital manufacturing, shop floor operations with ERP, production planning, IoT and analytics for production monitoring. Product lifecycle management, PLM, manage product design and engineering, compliance and cross-team collaboration, lifecycle visibility. Enterprise asset management, EAM, equipment maintenance tracking, AI and IoT-enabled predictive maintenance, improves asset reliability. Supply chain procurement, automates sourcing and contracts, connection through the Ariba network, visibility and compliant decisions.